An AP Calculus test, we have a questions 8 and 9 refer to the graph below of the velocity of a moving object as a function of time. As a function of time, as you see. So that's the velocity and this is the time. Velocity and time. And this is the graph for it. So the first question, or question 8 on this test, at what time has the object reached its maximum speed? Maximum speed. Okay. So some of you say, okay, this is the maximum speed. Okay, maximum speed in here. And some of you change their mind and look at something else. If you look at at time 2, the velocity, let's switch. This is time and this is velocity. Yeah, dependent and independent. Yes, this is the time: 1 second, 2 seconds, 3 seconds, 4 seconds, 5 seconds, 6 seconds, and this is the velocity. Whatever they have, feet per second or meters per second, whatever. So if you look at 2 here, the velocity looks like a point to about 10. But if you look at here, it looks like it's 15. Some of you said, no, this is negative 15 and this is 10, so this is the highest one. No, please, watch. We are talking about velocity in direction. So we don't care about direction. It's the same velocity. 15 means 15. 15, speed, 15. But velocity, it will be different because it has direction. So this will be 10, speed 10, and the velocity, speed 10, and direction positive direction. And this is 15, but in negative direction. We're looking for the speed. The maximum speed here when the time is 5, and it's in the opposite direction. So your response to this question is D. Don't confuse. Okay. Now the second question, over what interval does the object have the greatest acceleration? Easy to keep. From 0 to 2, from 2 to 3, from 2 to 4, from 3 to 5, from 5 to 6. Look at that here, intervals here. Speed from 0, acceleration from 0 to 2. Acceleration is the velocity over the time. So if you divide or you find the slope of that, it will give us the acceleration, 10 over 2, which is 5. And if you find the slope over here, so it's drop from 10 to 0 over 1. Okay, so it's negative 10. And if you look at the acceleration from 3 to 5, it's the speed increase from 0 here to 15 over here in 2 seconds. So if you divide 15 by 2, it will be 7.5, and you know the direction, it's a negative. From 5 to 6, the slope will be from negative 15 to from 15, I'm talking in general speed, 15 to 0 in just 1 unit. So 15 divided by 1 is 15. This is the highest acceleration. Highest acceleration for this vehicle or this object, it was from 5 seconds to 6 seconds. So the answer of this question is E.